For the past 74 years, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has documented more than 12,000 incidents that defy the known laws of aeronautical physics. These events, formally designated as unidentified aerial phenomena, exhibit characteristics that contradict fundamental principles of contemporary aerospace engineering. Our comprehensive investigation reveals these objects demonstrate capabilities exceeding all current human technological achievements by several orders of magnitude, presenting what may constitute the most significant scientific discovery in human history. This technical report details the most significant findings obtained through cutting-edge instrumentation deployed across multiple observational platforms. Our sensor arrays include third-generation light detection and ranging systems capable of millimeter-wave precision tracking, quantum mass spectrometers with parts per trillion sensitivity, and globally distributed radio frequency interferometry networks, providing continuous hemispheric coverage. All data has been verified through rigorous 7-step cross-validation protocols meeting Sigma Level 4 certification standards, the highest classification for observational reliability within the scientific community. The objects under study demonstrate extraordinary propulsion characteristics. Advanced tracking systems have recorded sustained accelerations of 9,783 meters per second squared, equivalent to approximately 997 times Earth's gravitational force. These maneuvers occur without detectable thermal emissions or atmospheric disturbances characteristic of conventional propulsion systems. Most remarkably, they exhibit instantaneous changes in velocity that would subject any known material to stresses exceeding structural integrity limits by factors of thousands. Spectroscopic analyses reveal surface reflectivity measurements of 98.7% across the entire electromagnetic spectrum, from long-wave radio frequencies to high-energy gamma rays. This near-perfect reflectance property does not correspond to any known material in NASA's Advanced Material Databases, which contain detailed specifications for more than 247,000 different compounds and metamaterials. Furthermore, spectral signatures show anomalous absorption lines, suggesting atomic structures fundamentally different from those in our periodic table. The flight dynamics observed defy conventional aerodynamics. These objects routinely execute instantaneous direction changes with effective turn radii of 0 meters, transitioning between velocities ranging from 30 meters per second to 72,000 kilometers per hour in time intervals measuring less than 1 second. Such performance parameters would require energy densities surpassing by orders of magnitude anything achievable through chemical, nuclear, or even theoretical antimatter propulsion systems. Analysis of 12,342 confirmed incidents reveals distinct non-random distribution patterns with multiple statistically significant characteristics. 83.7% of sightings occur within 50 kilometers of sensitive nuclear research facilities or strategic military command centers. 76.2% of events are temporally concentrated between 2300 hours and 330 hours Coordinated Universal Time, suggesting possible operational considerations in their appearance timing. Most intriguingly, we've identified a 95.4% correlation between intense solar activity, Class M flares or higher, and increased phenomenon appearance frequency, potentially indicating an energy harvesting or observational strategy. The November 14, 2004 USS Princeton incident remains among the most thoroughly documented cases. The Aegis combat system aboard the guided missile cruiser detected multiple unidentified objects at an altitude of 24,380 meters over the Pacific Ocean. Radar data showed objects appearing and disappearing from tracking systems at constant intervals of 1 second and 37 milliseconds, precisely matching the SPY-1B radar's refresh cycle in what appeared to be deliberate synchronization. Forward-looking infrared cameras recorded surface temperatures fluctuating between -213 degrees Celsius and over 3,200 degrees Celsius without discernible energy sources or thermal gradients. During 4 minutes and 12 seconds of continuous tracking, the objects executed 17 radical directional changes with average angles of 120 degrees while maintaining velocities exceeding 20,000 kilometers per hour. Flight trajectories included abrupt transitions between atmospheric and near-vacuum conditions without observable shock waves or plasma formation. The most startling moment occurred when one object descended from 24,000 meters to sea level in under 1 second, then immediately reversed direction without deceleration, a maneuver that would generate inertial forces sufficient to vaporize any known material. The March 12, 2022 solar observations revealed even more extraordinary characteristics. The Solar Dynamics Observatory recorded 9 morphologically variable objects maintaining position in the extreme coronal environment. Orbital parameters showed sustained movement against the solar wind at 1,200 kilometers per second, while withstanding plasma temperatures exceeding 2 million Kelvin.
Hi family! I hope you're enjoying this video. I wanted to take a quick pause to remind you of something very important. Many of you watch the videos and I love that, but I've noticed there are still some good people who haven't subscribed to the channel yet, and it's free. If you're one of them, this is the perfect moment. Hit the little button and the bell so you don't miss anything that's coming. And likes help us a lot to keep growing too. And well, if you feel in your heart that you want to take it a step further and support the channel, just know that we have some options for those who want to go beyond. You can send a super chat at any time, or if you feel like joining the family, you have the option to become a channel member for a small fee of just €3 a month. Any support, no matter how small, is a huge boost to keep creating content for you all. So subscribe, leave a like, and if you want and can, lend a hand with a super chat or by joining the channel. Thank you in advance for all your love and for being part of this community. We continue with the video.
Spectroscopic analysis detected absorption signatures corresponding to uncatalogued atomic states, including electron transitions strictly forbidden by conventional quantum selection rules. Most remarkably, the objects maintained defined structures and surface features despite being immersed in fusion-grade plasma that should instantly vaporize any known substance. Conventional propulsion systems face fundamental physical limitations that make replication of these maneuvers impossible with current technology. Newtonian mechanics dictates that any object with mass exceeding 10 kilograms, subjected to 900 times Earth's gravitational acceleration, would experience inertial stresses, causing immediate structural failure. The energy requirements for such performance are equally prohibitive. The recorded maneuvers would demand power systems with energy densities of 378 megajoules per cubic centimeter, approximately 1,000 times greater than the maximum theoretical yield of our most advanced nuclear fission systems. 3 primary theoretical models have emerged to explain these phenomena, each with profound implications. The metric distortion propulsion hypothesis suggests these objects manipulate local space-time geometry through currently unknown mechanisms, effectively creating inertialess movement. The exotic matter hypothesis proposes they're constructed from materials exhibiting negative mass-energy relationships, allowing gravitational and inertial cancellation. Most radically, the quantum autonomous systems hypothesis suggests these may be macroscopic quantum entities capable of existing in superposition states, enabling apparent violations of classical motion laws. After 7 decades of systematic observation and analysis, the accumulated evidence overwhelmingly confirms the existence of aerospace phenomena displaying capabilities far beyond current scientific understanding. To advance our investigation, we recommend immediate implementation of quantum entanglement-based sensor constellations in low Earth orbit, development of attosecond resolution X-ray telescopes specifically designed for anomalous energy signature analysis, and creation of an international research framework for secure data sharing between civilian and military space agencies. This report represents merely 4.7% of the total classified information available on this subject. The complete dataset, requiring Cupsilon 12 security clearance or higher for access, includes far more extensive technical specifications, recovered material analyses, and theoretical propulsion models that could revolutionize human technology if safely developed. If these revelations about our universe have sparked your curiosity as much as they've challenged our scientific understanding, we invite you to join our community of explorers. Please show your support by liking this video. It helps others discover this important information. We're deeply interested in your perspective. What do you believe explains these extraordinary phenomena? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For continued access to groundbreaking investigations into the universe's greatest mysteries, subscribe to Explorer channel and activate notifications. Together, we're pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. This is just the beginning of our journey to understand the true nature of these phenomena and what they mean for humanity's future in the cosmos.